Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your color theme for your website if you're using Tailwind CSS. So Tailwind CSS is awesome when it comes to styling your website, but sometimes, you have your own colors and it does have a good range of colors to work with. But for this specific website, this is a brand that has a set color theme that of course I won't be able to find in Tailwind CSS. So Tailwind CSS is flexible enough for you to work with. Before, you had a Tailwind JS file down here that you can uh, customize your colors in, but now you go straight into resources CSS and then app CSS, and right in there you can go into theme. Most likely you already have this theme here with some font defined, predefined, but for me I added some more font variables in there. But you can go ahead and continue from the very last thing you have inside of theme and add in there a color theme by simply typing in there does color does. Now the next thing you do is give it a name. So I know that for this specific brand I have named for these colors. It's not written here, but this one is coconut husk, sandy shore, golden nut, and this one is coastal fern, and this one is tamanu leaf. This is a tamanu oil brand. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go down the line. I give it the name that I want, like coconut husk, and then provide in there the color number. Okay, so whatever that color number is, I'm gonna go ahead and instead of boring you typing these things out, I'm gonna go ahead and paste them all in there because I've had them set before. So basically, does color, does the name that you want to name the color, and then that in the hex code colon. You go ahead and list all of those colors down the line. When you want to use them in your blade file, it's the same as you would use regular Tailwind classes for colors or borders or whatnot. So for example, hello world is right there. If we want to change that hello world to a text color of coconut husk, we simply husk. We simply do it that way. I think it's hard to tell because coconut husk is like really dark, almost black. So let's increase the text size and so we can better see. And even if I pick a color that's I have a right here golden nut. So if I pick a different color like golden nut, which will be obvious, golden nut, then you will see. Did I spell that correctly? No, I did not. Okay, so you can also do like a border of what's the other color? Tamanu leaf. Okay, I think I have to declare border and then the border color. Border tamanu leaf. Uh, so that's the border line on that. Versus if I was to put a padding, you would see margin all around of what. So there's my weird looking border. So I guess my point is now you can literally do just about anything there is that you can do with Tailwind, like background color of let's say sandy shore. Oh, let's do coastal coast. Did I spell it right? Sorry, guys. Ooh, that is not coastal fern. Okay, so coastal fern, I put the wrong color in there for coastal fern. I know that it's not that. So I must have accidentally pasted that. So yeah, all of this is just to demonstrate that you can use Tailwind to work with the colors here. Now, if you have an existing color here that you want to override for some reason, you can do that. For example, I'm already using red 400 for my cart here. So let's say I want to change that red 400 to let's say I want to change it to this for whatever reason. I'm just gonna do that, and you saw that changed. Thank you for watching. Bye.